Good morning. So today you are going to embark a journey to the Filipino rich culture, especially in the different cultures of manners that we are using in the Philippines in a Filipino way.
English, Filipino.
Good morning. In Filipino, we say magandang umaga. Can you say it again?
Magandang umaga.
What is it?
Magandang umaga.
Good afternoon. In Filipino, we say magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Good evening. In Filipino, we say magandang gabi. Can you say it again?
Magandang